Number one, we have to always seek Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's pleasure, and then He will bring us from darkness to light. That is, He will give us guidance. So it's not like we can keep sitting and say that yes, we are Muslims and all. We have to really strive to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on what are the things He wants us to do, what are the things He doesn't want us to do. This is how you please someone, right? When you understand their expectations, what do they want from us? So we need to understand what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants from us, and all of this guidance on how we should live our lives, what things we should not do. All of this is to seek pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Once we have done this step one, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala brings us from darkness to life according to His permission. Then we are given guidance and He gives us guidance. Point number two, don't take it for granted that we will eventually go to Jannah. We have discussed this. Many Muslims, and we discussed this in the context of the Jews and the Christians. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that they think that they are the favorite ones and they are the beloved of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reminded them, if it was the case, then how come they were punished? And there were so many punishments that were given to them. We learned in today's lesson that they wandered for 40 years on the earth without even finding a place to settle down. So here many Muslims also think among us that eventually we'll go to Jannah just because we are Muslim, and even for a few days if we have to go to hellfire, it's fine. I mean, in the previous ayah we just learned that those people who disbelieve will, when they are thrown into the fire, they would really want to go out. So even a second or a millisecond of hellfire, we cannot really bear it with ourselves. So we should try our best, and we need to strive to avoid Jahannam completely, and really try our best to do all the good stuff and not do anything bad that even takes us closer to it. And the last action was a hadith of the Holy Prophet regarding killing someone. He said, after me, after my death, don't become disbelievers by striking, cutting necks of one another. So if somebody kills someone for no reason, then they are equal to disbelievers. And the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is saying. And we also learned in one of the ayahs that killing someone without a reason is equal to killing entire humanity, and saving a life is equal to saving the entire human beings race and entire humanity. So this was the lecture for today. Are there any comments, any questions before I close today's class?